Good morning, this is Mr. Hall again. I wanted to show you guys how to utilize Cami. It's a Google extension app that we will use a lot. It's very good for finding evidence and details. It's also very good for creating text boxes to type in information and submit that to me. So let me take a minute here to show you how to do that. So first thing you would do is go to our Google Classroom, which is on the tile here on the right. So if you click on Classroom, and for today, I'm just going to go to a random assignment and reading that we've been using to show you how to open up Cami. And you can do this with any Google Doc. It will work there. So let's say, for example, we are looking at. Oops. Our current lesson we're working on in magnetic reading. So, with the extension added on there, you can add it onto your extensions. You'll see up here I have a variety of different Chrome extensions up here. If Cami is not there, you can add it on there. And then once you do that, it'll say open with Cami. So once you click that, it will then take you to another screen within Cami, which you'll then need to sign in. Hopefully you guys won't have this technical difficulty here. But the first time it may ask you this just to have access to your Google account. All right, there we go. And then once you've done that, you'll see a screen that looks like the one I have here. So if you're wanting to share it with me, once you complete the assignment, there's here. So a lot of your features are over here that are very nice. So you have a read aloud, especially if you need assistance with the read aloud. You can click on the read aloud button, highlight what it is you want to have it read. It will then read that to you. Uh, the one we also use a lot is the markup feature. So if you're going in trying to find answers, you can, say you found out that King Aegis made a deal and they were going to do this to help prevent, people from dying. It'll then highlight where you found that information. There's also a text box. So let's say, for example, you scroll down and I want to write the answer to this question. I would just click on text box over here. You can then click where you want the text box to then type your answer as well. There's also drawing shapes if you need those for various reasons. If you make a mistake, there's also an eraser feature. A lot of the other ones I don't utilize that much. But I've kind of gone over the key ones you'll use for Cami. Then once you're done with that assignment, you can then share it with me. And it's a simple way for me to collect that and then grade that from you. So I hope this tool was helpful for you guys.